If a customer ever asks for a summary of their invoices or payments, or if we just want to review their billing history for a specific time period, LawnPro lets us generate a customer statement with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll show how to do that. To get started, click on the Finance tab, and then select Customer Statement. First, select the date range you want the statement to cover. This can be any time period, last month, last quarter, full year, or any custom range you need. Next, select the customer you want to generate the statement for. Then choose what you want to show on the statement. There are three options. You can show all, invoices only, or payments only. Choose whichever option makes sense for what you or your customer needs to see. Once those are set, your statement will generate automatically. You'll see a clean summary of all the activity for that customer within the date range you selected. When you're ready, click the print button, download a PDF, or email a statement to your customer. A pop-up will appear to confirm you want to send this statement to your customer. That's all it takes to send a customer statement in LawnPro. It's a quick, professional way to give your customers a clear picture of their billing history whenever they need it.